Nicole, everybody middle name. Everybody on the... Every girl, white, black, don't matter.
Hispanic or other.
Nicole.
Nicole, a.k.a. Nikki. Yeah.
Nikki.
If your name is Nicole in Jamaica, you know say your name Nikki. What go on, Nikki?
Nicole. Like, you got to put an accent over the I.
Nicole.
You got to... Nicole.
Yeah.
Like 5 cents. Okay, Nicole. Brittany. You gonna say every syllable, ain't it? Brittany.
Brittany, yes.
Girl, Brittany.
Hey, Brittany.
So what about Tiffany?
Hey, Tiffany.
Tiffany.
Brittany.
Brittany.
Kimberly.
Kimberly.
Kimberly. Yeah.
Brittany. Pamela. Pamela.
Pam.
Pamela.
Pam.
No Ella.
We don't have no time for Ella, Jamaica. We just say, Pam, what want, Pam?
We not have that there. Pam. Pam. Amigo. This, not Pam. Her, Pam. This, amigo.
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 An.
Turn the light.
Amigo.
Can we not? We're not going back there.
Amigo.
We're done. Amigo. That's one of the words I gotta watch your tongue.
What did you say? Migger. Migger.
Why your lip do that?
Because the R for
Migger. Okay. Stuart.
Stuart. Yeah, what's that on?
I almost tried, but I had to hear it again. Do it again.
Stuart. Hey, Miss Stuart.
Shh. The beginning sound is Stuart.
Miss Stuart.
Miss Stuart.
Like, you eat stew chicken?
Stew.
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 Yeah.
It's kind of like, you know how the word school is spelled? You're actually like pronounced. Stew. I get it. Oh my gosh. Stuart.
Stuart.
Sorry, there's no art.
Art.
Stuart. Stuart.
Stuart.
Miss Stuart. Okay. I don't know if I like that one. Anyway. Michaela.
Michaela.
Yeah, Michaela.
Michaela.
Michaela. Michaela. It's like Mickey Mouse, but then you put Allah. Michaela. But I said it right?
And didn't?
Loud and wrong.
Michaela.
Michaela.
Yeah,
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.